If you have a data set that looks similar to mine, where one number just looks way different than all the other ones, and you want to clean it up, then this is the video for you. Okay, so there's a few different ways to fix the cell that's off right here. The first way is simply by clicking the cell, and then make sure on the top of your screen that you're on the Home tab. Now, once you're on the Home tab, there's also going to be another little sub tab underneath it called the number, and then in here, there's going to be a button that says decrease decimal. Just click this a few different times until you get it to where you need it to be at, and then just like that, we got the number looking just like all the other ones. Another way to fix this problem is by right-clicking the cell that looks a little off. Now, once you do this, you're going to go all the way down to Format Cells. Once you're here on the category, make sure you're under Number. You should automatically be there, and then you're going to see Decimal Places. Set this down to 2 or 0, whatever you want it to be at. That way it'll look just like all your other data. Now, if your data set looks like this, where all the cells are messed up, but you want to set it so like every cell is 2 decimal places, the fastest way to do this is by right-clicking the button above 1, and then going down again to Format Cells, click Number, and click 2 decimal places, make sure it's set to that, and then click OK. And then just like that, everything will go back to normal and you're gonna have it the way you want it. If this video helped you out, let me know by clicking the like button, and also make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on future technology tips and tricks.